Hi guys, it's Sweetie, and I'm not sure if this is this pour that I absolutely love, and I don't know if I'm going to ruin it or not. So I've got some liquid mirror from TriArt in a fine line bottle, and I want to I'm going to try to tilt this so you can see it. I think I want to add a little something. I figure it's better to play on this test pour than anything else. So here we go. Let's see. This pour doesn't need anything, but I kind of want to, I don't know if you can see, I'm coming around here and just sort of outlining it. It's going to give it a really, really high reflection in those areas, and I thought it might just add a little detail. And I'm having to squeeze fairly hard. The tip might be a little small, but that's okay. I don't want anything truly major. So I'm just going in this little area, and we'll see. We'll see how this works out. Okay, so you can sort of see the path I've taken so far. And I think I'll come down here. Right there. And I'd like to do right in here too. It's a real pretty day out. It's hard to believe it's getting up into the 80s. I mean, this is still February. I've got the door open so you can hear some traffic. The dogs are curled up on the swing out on the porch. Really pretty out. There. Okay. And you can sort of see the highly reflective areas. I've just done a little bit. Now I'm looking at it. Come in here. And I want something here. I've been following the lines of the pour, but I kind of made that one up. Okay, so I've added a little bit of detail there. You can catch the light and you can see all those highly reflective outlines, and then I'll be back when this dries. So see you in a minute. Okay, this is what it looks like dry. And let's see, there we go. So right along in here and here and all in here, that's where the fine line liquid mirror is. It's raised, which I should have expected, but I didn't. And at first, I hated it. But now, then I thought maybe I loved it. And I'm not really sure. So this is what it looks like with that detailing added. And I don't know, I'm on the fence. I'm sort of undecided, which is disappointing. I would like to know yay, nay. Is it good? Is it not? It does add something, but I'm not sure. I'm just not sure. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you think that adding a little bit with the fine liner helps. Should I've used a different color? I still wanted to keep it icy looking, but a part of me wanted to come in with a dark color, but that would have defeated the idea of trying to make it a nice icy piece. So I went in with the liquid mirror, which I think was a good choice on the color rather than white. White was my other choice. I do like the liquid mirror, but let me know, is adding the fine line detailing, does it help? Does it detract? Or just let me know what you think, because I'm really, really on the fence about this. All right, guys. Thank you. Bye.